Hey everyone, today we're unboxing something really cool, the FipTec Smart Robot Security Camera. This little gadget promises to be extra pair of eyes 24/7 from anywhere in the world. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, here we go. It's time to open it. The box itself is already impressive. Bright, clear graphics showing off all the main features this little robot camera has to offer. You can see from the outside that we are talking about 360-degree panoramic coverage, night vision, motion detection and two-way audio. Inside, everything is neatly packed. We have the FipTec robot camera itself, a power adapter for continuous use, and of course the menu. I might actually read it this time, maybe. And here it is, the start of the show. The camera looks like a sleek futuristic robot, complete with a glossy finish and lens that promise a crystal clear view. I love it already. Right away, I noticed the smooth model design that allows you a full 360-degree horizontal rotation and vertical tilt, which means you can literally see every corner of the room without moving a muscle. On the front, we have the lens surrounded by infrared LEDs for the night vision, and on the side, there is a built-in microphone and a speaker for two-way conversation. On the head, there is a slot for a micro SD card up to 128GB, which means you can choose between a constant recording or only recording when a motion or sound is detected. There is a lot of storage for security footage, and let's be honest, it's kind of adorable. A tiny robot that acts like your personal security guard, ready to spin around and check every corner of the room on command. It's like having a virtual pet that never needs feeding. And this is very important for me. Sometimes. I can't wait to set this up and test every single feature, especially the night vision and the motion alerts. In my upcoming video, we'll see exactly how it performs in real life situation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tell me in the comments where would you put this little robot camera in your home.